values of these two so that this number is maximum.
We have to use the solver, or we can put just the,
I'm showing you how to use solver.
or we can put the some product and that's it.
Well, you can, no, but you have to use solver.
I have to.
No, you don't have to. I'm just showing you.
It's
We
okay.
did it by hand, right? Remember it was a complex thing?
Yes, شو اسمه اللي بحط حمام.
And I'm going to show you how easy it is.
هي
Okay, ready? All you do is solve it. What do you want to solve? I want to maximize. What do I want to maximize? I want to maximize this number. Okay. Subject 2. What are the values I'm willing to change? I'm changing these two numbers.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I'm going to change these two numbers. And what are the constraints? So let me just remove all the constraints here, okay?
I prefer.
I'm going to delete, I'm going to delete, and I'm going to delete, and I'm going to add them all again, all over again. All right, so what constraints I want? Well, add. The first constraint I want is all these numbers. Okay? What should they be? Less than 2400?
What are they?
They should be all less than this number. And by the way, you can change this to 2400, you can make it 2000, you can make
It is 40 multiplied by 60, right?
Yeah, but you can change these numbers too, by the way.
It depends upon the system per week.
So, I'm sorry, I should change this one. I should really select these numbers should be less than this number, correct?
Right.
Are you all good?
Yes.
Okay, that's one constraint. Do you want to add more constraints? Yeah, you do. What about these numbers? Do you want these numbers to be
Yes.
less than or equal to the
Demand.
Do you want to add any more constraints?
Yes.
Which one?
The profit.
No, profit you are maximizing.
Ah.
The only other constraint that you may want to add is that you want to have A and B as integers, or numbers, in this case. Okay? So you just select these two numbers have to be integers. Okay? That means they have to be whole numbers, correct? They cannot be fractions. Click OK and hit solve. Do you remember we did this problem in class? What did we get? What was our answer?
499.
17 and 58? 70 and 58, right? The one that you saw in the video. 70 and 58 was the answer. Okay, so hit solve. Keep the solution. Do you see what happened?
499. Yeah.
70 and 58 from the video.
But here.
بيعطيك الماكسيموم في الكوانتيتي والماكسيموم في البرايس.
اي 70 في
So the other way
80 في 40.
gives us the same result, 7 to 50.
Simulation. Otherwise, the way we did it in class gives you the same answer. The way we did it in video gives you the same answer. Remember that video has all the calculations, it's the huge thing, then you figure out, okay, you want to go with A, you want to maximum make all A's first and then make B's, right? We did all that in the video. Here, I'm just showing you that you could have done this very easily by using solve. Without doing anything complex. Or you can solve it using simulation.
I like the
The
simulation.
hard way.
Yeah, just click on the 50 and.
Okay? So that's it. It's only for solver is, again, you can use it in many situations. I just wanted to spend a few minutes to show you how to use solver. Excel is really powerful, very powerful. You can do on Excel, you can do regression, right? You saw you can do regression, you can do linear optimization. All these, this is all set up like what we did.
سأشرح مرة أخرى كيف نقوم بذلك.
This is also set up just like what you saw in video. This is where you end up. Because I selected one, so the formula you have to write is this. This number times this number will give you 12.
ركز يا عبد.
Okay, this number times this will give you 12. This number 1 times 12, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 16 is 16. Okay, so I have written all the formulas.
نطلع
In fact, I
المجاميع.
wrote just one formula and copied it down. Do you see that?
Yes.
By using this dollar sign. So I wrote one formula and copied it down. This is the
طب شو
total.
يعني الدولار صاير؟
This is the total,
عشان
right?
تثبت المعادلة.
Okay, once you have that, once you set up, and once you figure out these things, you can, and this is
ماشي
easy to
فيش
figure out,
بدي
right?
جبتك إياه.
Again, I just wrote a formula here. Once you have that, I also wrote this
حركش.
sum product formula, which is basically these two numbers multiplied by these numbers.
Yes.
Okay?
Correct.
Once you have that, just click on solver and go to what cell you want. What do you want to do? You say the target cell is, you select this cell. This is the one number you want to maximize or minimize or do something. So click on that number,
بريس انتر.
go back, and you make sure you select maximize. You want to maximize that number. Second, what values are you changing? Well, you are changing these two values. How many quantities you will make. Okay? Then you do the constraints. Remember how we did the constraints? There were 3 constraints. You wanted to put the constraints all over again?
Yes.
Delete, delete, delete. So I'm going to do the first constraint is I'm going to say add. What is the first constraint? I want to make sure that all of these numbers are less than or equal to the maximum time available. In this example, it's 2400. In some other example, I may say you have only 1800 minutes available. So if you do it this way, you can change it very easily, right? So select this number. It should be less than or equal to 1800. All right, that's one constraint. I want to add one more constraint. I want to add a constraint that these numbers, quantity to be produced, has to be less than or equal to the maximum demand. Do you agree with that?
Okay.
These numbers should be 70, this should be less than 70, this number should be less than 80. So sorry, okay, so I messed up. Did I mess up? These quantities should be less, and I forgot to click here, should be less than or equal to 70 or 80.
Okay.
And final constraint is I want these numbers to be integer, whole numbers. So I click on these two numbers again, and I select integer, and say, okay, I have added all 3 constraints.
Okay.
And I just say solve. Look at that. I selected 1 and 1, right? I just hit solve. And boom, it calculates 70A and 58B. And this is the number that you get, the quantity that you maximize. This is the number you must have seen in the video.
Yes.
Okay? Does it so quickly, faster than what we did in class. Okay? Using solve. Then the manual method. Are you good?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to close this and start the next topic, and we have to go